My game was failing, so I tried to make 30 YouTube shorts in 30 days to save it. The results were more of a mixed bag than I expected, but more importantly, I think I discovered a way to make YouTube shorts and maybe even how to use them to market indie games in general. Or, at the very least, what doesn't work. Let me take a step back. My name is Ian. My friends and I program video games together as a hobby. Everything from elemental puzzle platformers to randomly generated battle royales, castle raiding adventures, and so much more. If you're interested in that sort of content, subscribe! I have some really fun projects coming up soon. The last game I made took about 3 months to code, with the video devlog taking at least 50 hours to edit. When I released them, they both underperformed, which, not gonna lie, hurt a little bit. The thing is, people really seem to like the video. Some sort of disconnect appears to have happened, especially considering the handful of shorts I had made with the same footage had done comparatively well. Then it clicked. If the shorts are doing so well, maybe I could use them to jumpstart the video and save the game in the process too. I decided to go all in and gave myself the challenge of 30 shorts in 30 days. I wanted to use this as a way to experiment and gather data too, so I designed each short as a way to test something, such as end cards, title screens, and looping. On top of that, I set some goals for myself. Get the game to 250 views, get the video to 1,000 views, break the 1,000 subscriber milestone, and double my channel's view count from 115,000 to 250,000. So let me break down exactly how the challenge went. I'll have what I was testing and other info in the corner of the screen. Day 1 started off terribly with a video that just completely bombed. That shocked me since it was basically a sequel to my most popular short. Made me question the entire challenge, but I decided to press on. Day 2 did better, but it still fell below my goal of 4,000 views. Very few views transferred to the main video from it. Day 3's video did poorly too, but Day 2 got a boost and crossed the 4,000 view goal. This would not be the last time that happened during this challenge. Day 5, I tested something I'm calling an ultra short, which was just 6 seconds long. I got 2 waves of views, and it got above 6,000 views with about 200 towards the main video. For the first time, I had actual hope this challenge would work. Day 8 was a remake of the first day's short with some additional edits. It did average, but it shows that re-editing a short can be a good idea. Day 9 initially flopped with 34 views. I changed genre from science and tech to entertainment. It ended up rising to 1,600 views. Apparently, the genre really does matter in these videos, but I'll talk about that more at the end. Day 10 was wild. Around 3 a.m. Around 3 a.m., my video from Day 8 got a second wind, and it brought me up to just shy of 1,000 subscribers, with the video for that day pushing me over the goal. So that's 1 of 4 accomplished. Day 11 initially did terrible with only 5 views. I changed it from comedy to entertainment, and it went up to about 2,000 views. Day 13 got 1,000 views to start. I tried adjusting the genre from comedy to gaming, and that looks like it just completely stopped the video. Day 14 wasn't doing so well, so I changed the name to Hello Darkness, my old friend, which helped, well, a lot. Day 15 got the main video over 1,000 views, so that's 2 of my goals now met. Day 16 was interesting, with Day 6's video getting a few thousand views, 10 days after I had posted it. Day 19 had its video bomb. I changed the video name to FBI Open Up, and it blew up to over 10,000 views. I tried changing some names and tags on older shorts to see if that would do anything. Day 20, 22, and 23, 25, and 27 all bombed. Day 26 initially bombed. I changed the title, and the next day it got 5,000 views, which is starting to become a familiar story. The last 3 days were a mixed bag, with 29 doing amazing and the other 2 underperforming. That was not how I wanted to end the challenge, so I decided to post one more short. Day 31 did not do average. It did not just succeed, it blew everything else out of the water. It took a day, but it ended up becoming the most viewed short on my entire channel. With that, I was satisfied. With the challenge done, where did everything end up? Well, here's the before and after of where my channel is. I did miss 2 of my goals, falling short on channel views and actual game engagement. Here's the big things I took away from the challenge. 1. The short that did the best for getting views to the main video was just a hook for the project. 2. A hook within the short itself is important since YouTube seems to focus on if viewers swiped away or not, plus overall watch time. The first frame and first seconds of the video really do matter. 3. End cards can boost views on a main video, but hurts retention for the short, which may result in the short being pushed less due to less overall watch time. 4. It's okay to try re-editing shorts, just make sure they're different enough. Day 1, 8, and 15 were the same clip with different edits and got vastly different views. 5. There seems to be some sort of initial period where adjusting the genre and title can help boost the video. Doing this with really old shorts appears not to do much. 6. Be patient. Sometimes shorts took days to finally gain traction. Even the oldest short on the channel took over a year, then randomly jumped 200 views. 7. Don't underestimate the power of memes. Shorts based off memes seem to do extremely well, with FBI Open Up standing there menacingly and Hello Darkness among my highest viewed shorts from the challenge. The last and frankly most surprising takeaway was the game itself didn't get a huge boost in views from the video. Even though I more than tripled the views on the devlog, the game didn't get a similar boost. That was my main goal here, and it just didn't happen. While this is technically $0 marketing, there is no such thing as a free lunch. I barely did any work on actual game development this month since I was just so busy editing. The effort here just wasn't worth what I got. I don't think the issue here was with the shorts either. They did their job. I think maybe the issue was the main video being entertaining, but not an effective marketing tool itself. Hey, this is Future Ian coming in while I'm editing the video. Just wanted to show this off. I didn't realize there's actually this stat down here that shows how many people came directly from YouTube, and over the last 30 days. So as a result of this entire challenge, I got 12. That's it. Like, I got half that amount from just having a good tag on the game. I blame that more so on the video being entertainment and not a true marketing tool. In the meantime, that's one more arbitrary number in time challenge done. I need to figure out what my next project is. No, not that one. If you want to check out the video that was the focus of this project, you can click on the screen to view it now. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.